All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, a few months ago, 3, 4, 5 months ago, it was node season. Everybody was talking about nodes. They were all going to do great with nodes. I got some. I got a couple that I'm doing okay with. I'm getting a couple that I'm getting slaughtered on. It is what it is. It's crypto. Well, right now it's miner season. The 6-in-1 miners. There's a lot of them popping up everywhere. Well, we're going to be talking about Toasted Avax. This is the one that just had a soft launch yesterday. They didn't tell anybody what's going on. There's already almost $1 million in the contract. We're going to kind of go over to their website. We're going to check out their Twitter. We're going to kind of look at a few different things. There's almost already $1 million, like $900,000 in AVAX already in it. They're saying that eventually this thing may get to 250,000 AVAX, which again, I love people that dream. I love goals. I love setting your mind up and stuff like that. So I appreciate them being so pumped and everything. Even if it just double where it's at, I'd be happy. If it did what they say that it's going to do, that'd even be better. But don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. So and then when I'm done, I'm going to also go to BNB Crop Farmers. It just launched yesterday and kind of just cover that for a minute or so. I'm going to show you what I put into that and then what I put into this Toasted Avax. All right, let's head over to Toasted Avax. All right, this is another fork miner 6-in-1 from the baked beans Toasted Avax, the Avax reward pool with the toastiest daily rewards. All right, let's go ahead. There's 14,579 of these AVAXs in here. Let's do a little price on that. This just launched yesterday or a day and a half ago. AVAX is $64 right now. $64 times 14,570 of these. Yep, $932,000 on a stealth launch Toasted AVAX. I didn't even know about this myself. I was watching a few YouTubers and I'm like, wow. So I actually put one whole AVAX in here. There's my little return. It's in less than 24 hours. So it's going to keep accumulating. I'm going to re-toast it for 6 days. Then I'm going to eat the toast on Sunday. I will break the system this Sunday because what I do on everything, I claim everything on Sunday. So this Sunday I'm going to claim, and then it'll be the 6-in-1. It's just I keep everything on Sunday. This is how I am. Only thing I don't keep on Sundays are the BUSD farmers, the BNB farmers, because those are on a compounding, so it may end up you're claiming on a certain day, but those are a fixed thing. All right, let's check out some more stuff here. Over here at their Twitter account, Toasted Avax. Bakehouse Avax Miner, Toasted Avax, created by the Bakehouse team. They're audited by Ethos Project BSC released. You can go right here and check it out. I'm going to click something else so you can see that. Not gonna lie, Bakehouse got a feeling today it's gonna be a good day. I mean a good month. I mean a good year. Yeah. So baked beans and Toasted Avax. You know, if you're into baked beans, you're probably gonna like the Toasted Avax. They're saying that this could be bigger than the baked beans. Passive income AF. So it says Bakehouse is the #1 passive income ecosystem in the blockchain, currently running on BSC and Avalanche. Much more to come. Check out our website. They're talking about they're still 9.5 million away from baked beans. So I kind of like that. They're talking about printing money. So here's the printer, which is nice. And here's the kind of thing I like right here. You know, retoast it in real life. But right here, this one. Seriously though, 2 days into the project and we're already #2 on DApp Radar, high risk section. Do you see where it's going? Welcome to the Bakehouse, boys and girls. Best passive income project on the blockchain. Look at this. So, Toasted Avax and Avalanche right here, #2. There's that almost $1 million in the contract and everything like that, which is fantastic. How can we know that there's really $1 million in the contract? What you do is right here. Well, first of all, it's this one right here. You click this one. It takes you to Snow Trace. And right there, it tells you there's $929,000 into the in the contract. Avax is priced at $63 right this second. I mean, that's pretty. You know, there's 14,579. For launching a few days ago with nobody even knowing about this. I mean, that's pretty good. Let's check out BNB Crop Farmers real quick. Right here's my BNB Crop Farmers. There's 2457 in this. This thing, everybody knew that this was going to launch. And this is, again, one of my favorite projects here. 24, that's how many BNB times 404. 992. I mean, they're almost kissing each other. So this project right here, Toasted Avax, has almost got the same amount of money in it. Now let's check this right here. Ethos, smart contract auditing, custom D-app development, innovative DeFi securities. Who have they audited? Oh, they audited Baked Beans. Oh, they audited Toasted Avax, Apin Avax, Panda Farms, just to name a couple over here. But just the Baked Beans name alone and Toasted Avax, you got to like that, everybody. So kind of bringing this to you. Oh, I was saying too, you have to treat this like you're at a casino. These aren't long-term investments, like you're investing in Bitcoin for 3 or 4 years. Some of these 6-in-1 miners may, and again, they're going to be mad that I'm saying this, but let's just be honest. Some of them aren't going to be around in 3 months. Some of them aren't going to be around in 6 months. Everybody wishes that Drip Network just got around to a year. Awesome job, Drip Network. One of my favorite projects out there. My link will be listed in the bottom if you want to do the drip. But a lot of these projects aren't going to be around. If you want to have a safe investment, get out of crypto. I mean, this is DeFi. This is the wild, wild west. I mean, the thing about DeFi, I mean, there's rugs. I mean, I did a 6-in-1 a couple days ago, and we got rugged. Luckily, I only put a hand of blackjack in. Some people, you put your coffee in. Coffee's $5-6. Throw a $5 bill in, see what happens. Sometimes people feel more comfortable with $50 or $100. In Toasted Avax, I actually put 1 Avax in, $64. In BNB, I put 2, in the BNB Crop Farmers, I put 2.7. 2.7 BNB is like $1,100. Okay, so which one do you think I'm more comfortable with? Okay, so let's see, 2.75 times 400. $4, 11. I actually, when I figured it out, I'm like, hey, that's a pretty good number. I'll do it. Okay, but I put $1,100 in this. Well, let's do this here. How about my BUSD? How much did I put in that? Here, I'm being transparent. In BUSB, I put $250. I put $64. 1 Avax in the Toasted. In the Toasted, I put 1. I put 1 Avax in this. I just logged off because I'm not on Avax. I'm actually on the BUSD. So I put $250 in this. I've already got $112 back. I'll be compounding my money. I'm making $75 a day. You don't claim it every day. How about the BNB? Well, the BNB I just showed you, I put $1,100 in. Well, while we're at it, we might as well go to BUSD. BUSD, what did Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner put in? I'm not a big player. I'm not a big whale. I'm documenting my journey, everybody. But by documenting my journey, I'm having a ball with this. So I've decided to bring it to the channel. If I can help somebody educate themselves and learn about this stuff, again, you could get rugged, okay? If you get rugged for $5, are you going to lose sleep over it? Don't put too much in. Use the strategy that's comfortable. So look, in BUSD farmers, I put $250. In USDC farmers, I put $500. In the BNB farmers, I put $1,100. You have to do what's comfortable. In the Toasted Avax, I put 1 Avax. It's down to $64. But again, bringing this to the channel, all my information is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial planner. I'm documenting my journey. Pick and choose what you hear and stuff. Go watch a couple more people on different videos and stuff. But the key thing is, I like to bring this to the channel. I'm doing the flavor that we're talking about the coins all the time, and now we're going to be talking about projects, so you can kind of listen to both things. I don't like the strategy of buy a coin, let it sit in my wallet forever, and see what happens. It's just, there's not as much fun in that. All right, everybody. Pretty good video. Don't forget to hit the like button. All my information is for educational purposes only. Do your own homework. Click right here, and we're actually going to have the BNB Crop Farmers you can check out. Click over here, and you can watch USDC Crop Farmers. All kinds of good stuff. Do your own homework. Make sure if you are investing in anything, only invest what you're willing to lose. I'm not saying you're going to lose every single time, but some of these cryptocurrency, these high risk, high reward, did you hear that? High risk, high reward projects, sometimes you're going to get sacked. Sometimes you're going to fumble the ball. Sometimes you may lose your Avax. Sometimes you may lose your 0.25 or your BNB. So if you do, and if you lose your mind over it, then don't invest so much or don't invest at all or don't be on cryptocurrency channels and stuff. But you know what? We kind of enjoy this. We kind of think this is fun and stuff like that. So, all right, everybody, you have a fantastic day. My next video is going to be about the coins and stuff like that. So we'll be talking about that. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day.